Why are you bent, piece of shit? All right, so the key to solid cable management.
I think you want this in there too.
Don't you fucking tell me. You didn't even hook it up yet. I don't even have to say the cable's in here. Goodness.
No.
Do you like the Together as Friends thing?
Yeah. Do you?
Yeah.
You can just tell me what to do, and
no, I want your input because you're
like
part
it.
of the fucking team.
I'm used to that input being like, I don't know, that's the questioning makes it sound like you don't like it. So you're,
No, well, because I ad-libbed it, so that's why I'm asking. Yeah. This is gonna be at the end of the video. You even have this plug? What is this thing?
Newfangled shit.
Do you see this? What do I plug that into?
This is not magnetic.
It looks like it would be.
It is not.
But it's not. There you go. And we've got a CPU. Why would you put this coming out the front? And that's also why you want to keep it on the floor? Or off the floor? Yeah. How do I literally not have one other fucking screw? Cool off those SSDs.
Yep.
SSDs and nuts. All right.